What's up, interwebians and Facebookians, is I think the way you say that. Anyway, as you guys have found out, we got a new upgraded CNC system here in the shop. If you were following us on Facebook, you will have seen that we actually purchased it back in 4th of July. Get to that story a little bit better. The company I bought it from, Wright CNC, they're out of Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm going to tell you this little story here, this little secret. It doesn't mean that you're going to go out and buy your own table because I want you to send me your business. But I'm going to tell you the story about this table. So when we were looking for these, this table, the upgrades, however does you want to say that, the other table we had, it was okay. It wasn't as accurate as this one, it wasn't as big. This particular one's a 4 foot by 8 foot, so it fits a full sheet. Way better, accurate to 0.005. Now, disclaimer, the company's not paying me to do this. I just got to rave about them because I feel I got the best bang for my buck for this. So, might as well pitch this out there for them. But, back to this. 0.005 is the accuracy. A piece of paper, lined college paper, is 0.009 thick. The accuracy on this is thinner than a piece of paper. So, why not? So about the companies themselves. Called up 3 different companies and I said, hey, looking to upgrade our CNC system, why would I buy you over your competitor? I got everything out of the woodwork as far as, oh, we're the best customer service, the most accurate tables, blah, 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 blah. Nothing impressed me, all salesmen. Called up this guy, actually talked to the owner, and he said, what's your application? And I said, haven't been asked that. Let me just inform you what we're doing. So it was all said and done. He said, this is the particular table that we need. And on top of that, I didn't pay $30,000 for it, which is what the other tables started at. Same size. They said they're accurate to 0.001, but I don't need a production table. I don't need it to go 1,000 inches per minute and be accurate to 0.001. If I'm going to do a production stuff on this, I'll just slow the cutter down and call it good. Didn't pay $30,000. I didn't pay $20,000. I'm not going to tell you exactly how much I paid for it, but it was under 10. So, best bang for the buck, I feel. You come over to the table itself. We have direct drives, both on the main boom and then the drive here on the back side, which moves it back and forth. The drive on top, which moves your Z. I've got a torch height control, or a THC, which actually brings the torch down, and then whenever it touches, it comes back up based on voltage. The torch will actually move up and down as it's cutting. In case the metal warps, then the torch won't actually come in contact with the metal. Behind you over here, everything that is on that table came with it. You've got the control box, you've got the tower for the PC, you've got the monitor, the keyboard, and the mouse itself. Everything comes loaded in the computer. Literally what I did was I plugged in all the wires where they're supposed to go, they're even labeled, and opened up the system, started this thing up, moved it. The only thing that you really have to take care of is whenever this is all set up is making sure it's square. That's how you get perfect circles. So what we've cut out so far, I got BB-8 for you Star Wars fans. You probably can't see it, but the accuracy of these cuts. This is not clean yet, but I wanted to show you this dross. As you can see here, there is very little dross on the back side of this, or slag. Takes just a minute to clean up. Then, for you Harry Potter fans, Deathly Hallows. Now, this of course is just a very quick cut. This one, it wasn't really meant for accuracy, but this one was. It is clear exactly what it is. And this of course has not been cleaned up yet. But as you can see, we've got a 100% straight line on all of the straights. The C is curved the way it should be. Bottom of the U, each curve is exactly the way it should be set up. There is no complaining from me about this machine. So, if you guys need CNC work done, here it is. We're up and ready to go. Both production and artwork. You can check out some of the stuff that we've already cut that's up on our page. There's a link to the website. From the website, you can go to our Instagram. From all of that, you can go to our Etsy page. That's where we're selling all of the artwork stuff. And if you guys have any questions, give us a call or DM me on either thing, Facebook or the website, and we'll get some things cut. But otherwise, yeah, best bang, make sure you do your research.